This module is about trial balance. Yes, trial balance is a document in which we put all the balances that we extract from the ledger. So in a trial balance, we put all the balances which are in fact of debit nature in the debit side of trial balance, and the balances which are having credit nature are put in the credit side of trial balance. Remember, trial balance is merely an arithmetic statement in which we just check that arithmetically our debits are equal to credit. Remember that if both sides of trial balance are equal, it does not mean that our bookkeeping is 100% correct. Yes, it does mean that there is an arithmetic accuracy in our bookkeeping, but there could be some error while doing debit and credit in terms of, like, in fact, instead of debiting purchases account, if you give debit to furniture account. So debit is there, the balance would be equal of the both sides of trial balance, but conceptually it is wrong. That the accounting head that was to be debited is wrong. So trial balance gives us arithmetic accuracy of bookkeeping. Yes, it does not give us that the bookkeeping is correct. So it is also important. It is in fact a check that all the debits are equal to all the credits. So what do we do in trial balance? We just put all the list of accounting heads, the same 14 ledger accounts that we identified in our chart of account. We put all those in the trial balance and then simply place their balances in front of their names. If it is debit balance, put in the debit column. If it is credit balance, put in the credit column. And this is what we have already discussed in our previous module, that how to identify that which one is the debit balance and which one is the credit balance. The only thing that you have to take care while preparing a trial balance is that each debit balance should appear in front of the name of its correct accounting head and should be there in the debit side or in the debit column. And if that is a credit balance, that should be placed in front of correct accounting head and should be put under the credit column. So the important tips that we have to remember over here, the ITTRs. Number one, the trial balance is neither a book of account nor it's a financial statement. It is just a list in which we place all the debit balances and all the credit balances just to see the arithmetic accuracy of our bookkeeping. And the second thing is trial balance confirms our arithmetic accuracy. And sum of debit is always equal to sum of credit. It shows us the arithmetic accuracy of our bookkeeping. Thank you.